In this video, we are examining the application of Ansible to an IDRAC within a Dell PowerEdge server. Start here by looking at the inventory. INV hosts is just the name of the file. There you see a placeholder, which is the IP address. Here we can look at the playbook, which is written in YAML. The tasks are actually written correctly. The fully qualified name there, Dell EMC Open Manage IDRAC user. It's going to describe the user we want to create. Hey gang, Professor Feezer here, interrupting the playbook action to let you know that all of the code that's being run before you is available over on my GitHub, specifically in the repo that can be found at github.com/rzfeezer/ are you ready for this? Dell EMC PowerEdge Ansible collection. That's a lot, so I'm going to put it down in the comment section below, just below the video. All right, that's it. Let's get back to it. We can run the playbook calling the inventory, which is in INV hosts. Here we see changed equals 1. That's an indication that Ansible modified the state. There you can see configure a new IDRAC user is the task that had the change. All that green stuff is JSON output. This is because we registered and then debugged, which is effectively a print to standard out. Now, if I log into my PowerEdge, I can find that new user which was just created. And the speed at which we're able to run here is exactly why we use Ansible to do the administration. There it is. There's the new user that we just made. Very cool. An extra variable will always win precedence. So if we're passing an extra variable, state is actually the variable we're defining, absent is the value we're passing. Now, to know that, you'd have to examine the playbook. What is interesting, the big takeaway here, one solution, two applications. Unfortunately, I got to log back in. And there you can see again, the user is taken away. Fantastic. We didn't have a user, and then our playbook made a user, and then our playbook took away a user, and that was it. But it was cool that we only had one playbook, and by just passing an extra variable, we had multiple modes of functionality. That's a hallmark of a well-written solution. Now, you have to document that sort of thing, but tell you what, if you need some help with your Ansible, either yourself or a group, an enterprise, go ahead and reach out. You can do so with the details down below the video. All right, thanks a lot, gang. I'll see you in the next episode of Code with Feezer.